Hello, this is Jeff Brown, President of Brown Wealth Management. 10 days ago, we wrote an article telling people to examine their risk tolerance and make sure they were in the right place for their portfolio, given more than 10 years without a 20% correction. And we examined what could potentially cause the next recession. Just 10 days later, the market now sits in a full 10% correction, having one of the fastest and swiftest corrections in years since the financial crisis. We put up an article today to examine what's next. We entered the year underweight equities, and part of our research is really looking at objective indicators. So I want to show you one such thing today that's in the article. What you're looking at on the screen here is Ned Davis's trading sentiment composite. It really examines the rule, beware the crowd at extremes. Right? So up here we have excessive optimism when everyone is feeling great about things, and down here we have extreme pessimism. Well, we entered the year at a high level of excessive optimism, the highest in a long time. And if we look at the return numbers, typically when we're up at these levels, the market usually advances at a negative 5% per year. So although that we were enthusiastic about the growth of the global economy, we didn't like where the market was in terms of the optimism reading. Well, here, after a short time, a quick trip down, we're in this excessive pessimism zone. Down here, when you have these very low levels of optimism, high levels of pessimism, the market tends to perform pretty well. Doesn't happen every single time, and it may not be the day. So what are we doing about it? I think it's time to go out and start making a shopping list. I'm not saying today's the day to buy and back the truck up, but it is time to start making a shopping list of the things that you feel will fit into your portfolio for the long term. And for those folks that are underweight, like us, what an opportune time to begin to do that and add some of those things you've been waiting to buy. And after a week like this week, it might be a great time to do so. So take a look at the article. Let us know if you have any questions or we can help in any way. Thanks a lot.